Daddy! You're giving him a bath.
No, I'm not. You're good.
Why would you do that to him? Dad! Why did you do that to him? Bless his heart. Oh, he really likes having banana smeared all over his face. Daddy, stop it.
Somebody tastes good.
Stop it.
Go kiss him.
No, yeah, I bet he does taste good. Daddy, stop it. That's awful. You're giving him a bath. That's just awful.
Is that good, buddy? Give me that. Come here, slippery. Ooh. Oh
no. Goose. Let Goose have it. Goose, come here. Go get that banana. Go get it. There's a banana over there. Go get it. Give it to her. Let her have it. Say hey, pumpkins. You're awfully dirty tonight. No thanks to your daddy.
One night he sang outside my window until I made him stop.
If this plan sounds like it might be right for you, then call right now for the free book so you can really compare
Hey, Punky.
your plan to your current coverage.
What are you doing? Are you eating your seatbelt?
Helping people stay healthy for over 40 years. Humana's Medicare Advantage plan may save you money in ways that original Medicare can't. And this
You're trying to get that banana.
includes prescription drug coverage. You've never seen a man stark patient.
Give it to me.
Waiting for affordable
I
coverage.
want that banana.
There's no obligation, so call Humana now for this free book. 1-800-670-6611. It explains all the details about this money-saving plan. This book can show you how Humana can help.
Yeah.
Call now. 1-800-670-6611 or go to savewithhumana.com. That's 1-800-670-6611 or savewithhumana.com.
Oh.
What?
Look at the pills in his mouth. Okay.